Hi, this is Yufei Wang. I'm working this summer as a Tisch Summer Fellow at Boston Chinatown Neighborhood Center, BCNC, which is the largest nonprofit organization that serves majorly the Asian community in both Boston Chinatown neighborhood, and now they've extended the service to Quincy. The both are the areas that contains a huge amount of Asian community, and a great proportion of these Asian community is underprivileged. My job is would be working under the development department and to develop a alumni tracking system that include as much alums as we can, and to create a mechanism that in the future will continue to absorb the new alums, and we've decided to include the volunteers as well. So the first half of my internship was basically focusing on how to developing this system, which is decide who to include and what kind of groups that we want to establish. And then on the way, after we decided what this alumni network should look like, we presented to the board members. I made board members telling them that because some of them were a little worried that the information of their clients, because these alums are clients for them, might be exposed and be solicited, which is one of the common problems for alumni tracking. And then after we explained the plan, right now I have 2 weeks left for my internship. I'm starting to collect the contacts of each program, and to put them in a giant spreadsheet so that in the future, whichever director of each program feel like they have some benefits to offer to this alum and volunteer group, they can send via this email list. So I am finishing up my work, and I do feel happy that this alumni network is building up. I am seeing my process, especially this is, to be honest, my first project management with little guidance on the way, and I'm looking forward to all the posts, because we are using Facebook and other social medias to reminisce the memories of each program every week. So that's been a project along the way for the second half of my internship. And once the spreadsheet is done, we will it will be ready to send out messages, which is something that I'm looking forward to. And a little bug for me is to explore Excel, which is to explore some features that I've never used before, which is also a good thing because Excel is really useful, not just for this summer, but for the future as well. So I look forward to finish up nicely. I'm doing the report, the finishing report on next Wednesday. I hope my supervisor is happy about my work, and I'll try to include as much alum as I can, as long as I am at BCNC. So this is my makeup for the last reflection group. Ciao.